Hello, people. So, this is what I wanted you to see about the contemporary trend lines. For instance, this is the GBP JPY. So, first of all, we went on insert indicators, then you just go down to customs, you add, you just go scroll down, then you add the zigzag color indicator. When you click, you're going to see this one. You see these lines? You're going up, down, up, down. This is a market structure. And that is what actually I wanted you to see. From there on, we added 200 moving average, which is here. The yellow one is a 50, and the blue one is 20. We are there now. So what is this that I am calling contemporary trend lines? Because you're going to find that this is how we used to draw the trend lines. We used to take this trend line here, then we used to put it at the sides here. We used to put it at the sides here. You see here, that way. That is what we used to. That is what we used to do. What? This is what we used to draw anyway. But with the contemporary trend lines, I want you to search the positions whereby that the market is touching more times, despite that it is inside. For instance, when you see the moving average, you need to see where the market is reacting. So the market has to react on the support of 20, this is 20, the support of 50, and the support of 100. I mean 200. So now, the first thing that we need to know is that what is the direction of the market? You see, in a long term, you see, so that you can be able to know what you are searching for. What you are searching for. So, when you look at this chart, you are going to find that now let's find where the market is gonna be. You see, so now the contemporary trend lines, you're going to find it this way. It's going to be one of the best. So let's say that the market is here. You see, there is a touch point there, and there is a touch point here. You see, that is one. You see, there is those two touch points there. But now consider these. You consider these that this is where the market is. You see, this is where the market is. And now, what about this trend? Yes, it's turning you up, but it is not giving you where the market is supposed to be, because this is where the market is. So for me to be able to make a valid direction that where the market is going, I need to confirm more positions, more more touch points, or most of the rejections. You see, so I need only 2 points. So for instance, I need this one. To see this one, see here, you can be able to see that from here, which is here, you see this touch of a structure. You see this zigzag. It's telling you there's how the market reacted here, then went up, reacted here, then it went up. Then I'm going to come with my trend line. Then after now here it is reacted. I want to make my position more what? More rigid. I want to make my validity. And then I'm going to put it just there. You see? Is it lining with what? So meaning that meaning that that line or that kind of an area, it is a very important area. Why? Because it is lining with, this is one, reacting, going up, reacted here, then it went up. Then it means that in this area, there's going to be more reactions. You see, and now the market came here. If I just do that one, you see, the market came here. You see how it reacted? Once the market came here, it reacted with what? It reacted with the 20 moving average. Very beautiful. Reacted with the 20 moving average, and then it reacted with a daily time frame, which is a moving average. So meaning that here the market is going to react, and I know I am a buyer. I am a buyer. You see, from that point now, after you know that you are a buyer, you see, that is it. Now you know the direction of the market is going to go up. So again, I can be able to come with something else, that this is only one contemporary. You see, we are not drawing like the way we used to draw. No, this is a contemporary one. So look at here. Let me find another position whereby if the market is going to direct me up to here. So for instance, I'm not going to do full. You see, you can do this is what you used to do, or most of the people do. You see, so they have drawn this one. You see, up to that point. You see, but now for me, I want to do something which is contemporary. You see, so for instance, let's say like here and here. You see? You see? You see my trend line? You see? You see, it's like it is going up. You see, but where have I started? I have started here. You see? Reacting, then it reacted. Look at it, reacted. Then holiday come. This is now the beautiful trade. Because now I know that I have 3 points. I have this point which is reacting here, and I have this reaction which is going to occur here. And that is why I'm telling you that I'm going to come to the 4 hours. You see, look at the 4 hours. You see, this is where the market is right now. I know that now the market is going to do what? It's going to go up. Now I know that if I was to trade, this is my area. This is my area that I have been waiting for. I would have been waiting for this area. You see, when we come to the 4 hours, remember you are in daily time frame, and now we know that the direction of the market is just going up. You see, then I am going to come here. You see, now because now I was not able to catch the trade here. You see, because now you could have been swinging. Look at that beautiful trade, swinging, swinging, and the market is going up. So then when I come here, I am going to do the same. Now in 1 hour, and then I have seen that the market has reacted here. You see, so where this 50 moving average is, I am going to find the contemporary trend line. You see, I'm going to come here because now these structures are helping me. You know, this one, they are helping me. And now market react, ika close, ikaenda chini, ikakuja, then ika react here. You see, then it reacted here. You see, it reacted here. So then, is it taking me to my point of interest? You see, ikanipeleka mpaka hapa. You see, then again, you can be able now to see that now, after now it has done that way, you can be able to do what? You can be able now to have another one, a contemporary trend line, which is this one. You see, which is this one, this kind of this one. You see, so I can be able to see that now the market ilikuja. This is the point, another point here. Let me make it a bit bigger. Because I'm using my phone. So look here. This is a point, a point, a point, a point. So many points here. But now I want to have a point whereby that the market is going to react. You see? So I am going to take this trend line here. Then I have so many trend lines there. So I'm going to take this one. Nikiwekelea hapa, where am I going to put my contemporary one? If I start doing this one, I'm just doing like the way we used to do it, and they are not helping. You see, like the way you used to do. You see, that is what we are. No, you see, don't do like that one. At least you can even start here. You see, you can start even here, because when you start here, and it means that you have a touch here, you have a touch here, down, up. You see, reaction. You see, so mean that you have more reactions. You see, and when you have more reaction, where are you taking them? You are taking them up to here. So meaning that what have I gained? I have gained this kind of a point here, whereby that there is a high possibility that I'm going to have like a almost like a 90%, 94% for the market to go up. And if it's going to react from this point, you see, if it is going to react this point now, how am I going to know that it's going to react? You can be able to see that a green candle has formed, meaning that the buyers are the presence of the buyers. Look at here where the presence of the buyers are. You see, if you see now you are the presence of the buyers, now you can be able to do what? Now you can be able to buy. And that is what I've told you, just buy. Just buy. You see, you are buying it. You are buying it. You see, this is where the markets are reacting. You see, like the way. And again, you're going to realize that there is a close. You see, this kind of a clause which is here. You see, so meaning that there is a high possibility that this you are not going to go wrong. You are not going to go wrong. That this market is going to go up. You see, that is a golden opportunity. That you just need only 2 points. Where the market is it can either be at 20 moving average, it can be either at 200 moving average. So when these crows meet there, that is where you are going to be buying. That is where you are going to be buying. You see? And then after now, you know direction. You see direction, we knew it from the what? From the daily. You see? You can be able to see this where the direction is. You can be able to see this close and this close. You see? This is where we were able to get our direction. Look at that. You see? This one, direction. Here, direction. You see? This one direction is, and I know that high possibility that this market is gonna continue going where? It's going to continue going upward, because I know the direction of the market. And that is why even at volatility, once I know direction, I am not worried. I am not worried. Why? Because I know that the clear direction that it is gonna go up. And if I have like a 90%, even if I sometimes I over risk, it means that I have a very high potential of making profit. You see, high profit because the market is going on my way. The market is going on my way. You see, so meaning that when you have those contemporary, you are going to be making accuracy, accurate direction of the market, and you're going not to struggle anymore. You're not going to struggle anymore, and you're just using the moving average, only the moving average. You see, and again, for direction, you can be looking at daily or even for hours. For instance, like this way, you see where the market here came here. You see, when the market came here, let's see whether we could have seen any kind of a contemporary direction. Okay, so we have here. You see, look at here, that one. So this market came here. So mean that this one is not accurate here. So it is wrong. So look at where the market may be can be able to come at that point. You see, let's look where the market is going to land at this particular point. So let me do like this one. So I want to see if this point is varied. You see, this here and here, to see where the market has been coming. Now when you do like that one, look at this. Let us see this kind of a contemporary. So if I do like this one, this is one. You see, then that is this touch here. That is this touch here. Sorry, it's that touch there. So I think because of my phone and all that, Now we can be able to see it clearly. You see, so let me do like this one. If I do like this one, that is not where that it's going to my mark. So what if I do like this? It's not going where it's going to on my mark. But now when I do like this one, when I do like this one, we can be able to we can be able. It's not going. At least I don't want to. I don't want it to be like this way. You see, uh, there is this low here. You see that low there. If you can be able to look at this low here, and then the market go up, down, reacted, went down, up, it came here down. You see, up, it came here down. Where it is going to go, then it came here. Then you can be able to see that. You are going to see that this line, this zigzag, is going to come up to that point. You see, and when it comes to that point, you can be able to see that I am not drawing like the way we used to draw it. That anashikanisha this point high, 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 high. No, 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 no. I'm avoiding that. You see, I am avoiding that. You see, because this is a contemporary, it is weird. It's a weird strategy because it's very weird. You can be using, this is not how I used to draw it. You see, why? Because there is this. You see, this came here, then in a breakiwa, then in a kuja, in a pata, then in a kuja. But then it means that this is the best way to draw it. Because if you keep on drawing like the way others are drawing, you will never see this position. You will never make at least a good a good kind of prediction. You see, but when you look like this one, you can be able to see that here I have what I have the most moving average, and I have what I have this kind of a trend line that is coming direct to that point. You see, then again I can be able to say, so let me see with how I can be able to make so that it can be able to come here. You see, so let me bring it closer and closer so that I can be able to see. So now from this point, you can be able to see there is a lot of them. You see. So what if I'm going to start it here? You see, here, you see, and then I look for another one position, maybe here. You see here the market reacted. Let me let it come to. Let it come. Let it come. It's only that I am switching with my phone, and I don't want to make this video boring. You see, so for instance, let's say that this market is starting here. You see, first answer, then uangalie kama it's going to land to your position. You see here. You see, let's go, let's go, let's go up to this point. You see, so this market, where did it react from? You see, let's see, let us see, let us see. Here the market came here. You see, then it rejected down. It came here, rejected down. Then it came here. You see, this is the low. Then it went up. Then it came here. You see, rejected down. You see, so let us put straight to this position. You see, then let us come. I am using a very, but I think it's there. Yes, this is one position. This is the second one. This is the third one. And even this one is the fourth one. You see? And here, you see here, it's touching directly. So meaning that this one is a valid one. And where it's taking me, it is taking me to up to here. You see? So meaning that when I draw only those two, I can be able to know now that is the direction of the market. When that X, they meet, and they are meeting at where? To the 200 moving average, being supported by the 200 moving average. I am going to make a very good decision whether I am going to buy or whether I am going to sell. That is a contemporary. This is a gold. This is a gold because you're going to make a lot. You're going to make a lot. You're just only looking at what? You're going just to be looking at only those 2 points that the market is touching. And that is where you're going to make your decision from there. You see, from once you know the direction from a very lower time frame, then you can be able to do what? You can be able to look for the higher. You can be able to determine that if You have been holding this market. The market you have been buying, 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 buying. It's so many days, by the way. You see, these are so many days. So many days here. And you know, when the market comes to a certain position, it's going to react. That is why it was reacting here, coming here, coming here, then it must react to this trend line here. You see, this contemporary trend line is going to go up. You see, so that is where. So what is going to be guiding you is where the moving average is. You see, where the market is. Then, if two interjections points are going to go there, and they are going to be justified by the points that that trend line is touching, not the way they are looking very good. Here there is nothing good that you are seeing about that trend line. You see, you cannot even tell the shape that I am making there. You see, but now if you just do like that, you are going to be knowing the direction of the market. The direction of the market, you are going to be making a very, very, very good one, a good direction of the market, and you are going to be leaping well. So I want us now, I want us to practice this one. I want us to practice this one. And I'm going to make sure, even if it is a physical workshop, we can be able to come. I'm not going to charge you anything, but we are going to sit down and then I show you how it usually goes until you get it. Until you get it. And once you get it, your life will never be the same again. So thank you, thank you, thank you. So we are going to do more and more and more. I'm going to upload another video, another video till you get it. And then we are going to be doing, because you are my members. You are my members now. These are for my members. So thank you.